What's up, YouTube? What's up, Bully fam? Ellie Bulls checking in, and today we're back with another vlog. So it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. We're here to get these first two pups' ears clipped. One of them, they're supposed to be leaving today, which is this female, and the other is the stud. So we're gonna get their ears clipped first. We're gonna let you guys see how it looks after that, so stay tuned. Yeah, I already acting so bad. This girl growing tick. They done pooped in the car already. What's up, buddy? What's up? So it's 10 o'clock right now. We just had a customer make it here from South Carolina, I think Charlotte. So we're on the way to drop this girl off. Now we got El Camino up in here so he can see the dad in person. So we're gonna let you guys meet us there. Stay tuned.
Figure out what he is.
No, she's gonna be way smaller than him. Come on, Mino.
He's so cute though.
Thank you.
So she's gonna be smaller than him.
Yeah, she's gonna be way smaller than him. You like her, bro?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh yeah. No, he don't bite. Oh yeah. My boy came from South Carolina.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Appreciate you, bro.
No problem, bro. Appreciate you.
You know it. So we back a couple days later. Shout out to my boy Quincy for taking a 6-hour drive from South Carolina, coming way to Alabama to cop him one of those bulls from Ellie Bulls. So if you guys really want something, you'll go get it. That's inspiration right there. Shout out to bro, motivated me to keep on grinding, breathing harder, pushing farther. So, you know, thank you, bro. I got another cage like this coming in with Amazon, but the package got mishandled and stuff, so I'm still waiting on that. They may send me my refund or whatever. I got more cages like this, but all of those are filled up already with the other dogs. But my goal was really just to get the pups up in the cage like this, so to keep away all of the smell and stuff. Just basically have them with a drop tray at the bottom that pulls right out, as you guys can see. So just change those pads once a day, sometimes twice if they use the bathroom too much, and that'll be it. But other than that, you guys, we're about to get to deworm these pups. We usually go with Century X, but we're gonna go with this. What is this called? Nemix 2. And Tractor Supply, they told us that this was better than Century X, and everyone's starting to use these now. They said you use it the same way, so me, I'm just gonna eyeball it like I usually do. I'm not gonna use any syringe or anything. So we're gonna worm these pups one by one. Let's go. So we're about to go ahead and start off. We're not using the syringe. I'm just gonna pour some in the top like this right here. Like that. We're gonna sit it down until I take one of them out. Keep it. Take her out. Just gonna hold the mouth open. And stay, keep her mouth open. Until she swallow all of it. Just like this. Yeah. And I usually do 2 doses of these. I usually do two doses of those like that. So I'm gonna do it again. Sit down. They not healed all the way up yet, but we gonna heal them up. Go ahead and give him some. Just stick my finger in between the teeth like that. Out the head back. Straight in the throat. Make sure they swallow everything. You're doing good. I think I can go ahead and give him his other dose right now. Pour more in there the same way. Another top. This is just how I do it. You guys can use the syringe if you guys want to. I just don't use the syringe personally anymore because I know how to eyeball it. And off my experience, this does the job right here just like that. That's so bad. Next up is this girl. Another top. Up in that mouth. You wanna hear that right there? That's how you know it's working. Good girl. We're gonna pour a little bit more for her. Look, this enough right there. That girl head gonna be fat. Look at that head. Yep. We still have some bulls available too, so we're gonna post some updated pictures. You guys know we have that camera, so we're gonna post some high quality pictures for these pups when we post them up for sale. Okay. Next up, this girl right here. About to go ahead and give her shot. Oh, right up in the throat. Make sure she swallows. That's it for the worming. So that's it for this video, you guys. I want to thank all of my supporters out there for helping us reach 400 plus subscribers very quick in less than a month. I know there's been a slack on videos lately. There's been a lot going on inside the family. On top of that, with living situations, dealing with the land and everything. But I promise you guys, we're back after this week. We're getting back consistent. So you guys stay tuned. We're on the road to 1K. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those post notifications on so you can see first when we post. Ellie Bulls, we up.
5, 10, 15K, that's what the dog costs, nigga. I don't ever get no IGB for I log off on niggas.